Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix weak signal and boost your network strength on the Galaxy Z Fold 8. So first, what you guys want to do is toggle the airplane mode to refresh the network connection. So whenever we toggle our airplane mode on and off, then it will simply start searching for the nearest cell tower with better coverage and something that's just closer to us. So we're gonna swipe down here. We want to go over and press on the airplane icon. You should see the flight mode right here, and now we're gonna turn this off. Now we are back and we got our signal. So I got 2 out of 4. It's pretty good. And now what you guys want to do is, if you have weak signal like 1 or you got no signal at all, make sure that you move to an area with better coverage. So you can try searching for an area close to you. Also, sometimes it may be an issue of your network provider, the carrier and everyone in the SIM. So now we're gonna go to the settings. And once you are in the settings, we want to simply go to the Wi-Fi calling. So here we are. We want to go to connections. Once we are in the connections, as you guys can see, there's a lot of options. But we're interested in the mobile networks. Now here in the mobile networks, we have VoLTE calls. This is the same as the Wi-Fi calling. Here you can use the LTE networks for calls whenever it's possible, and of course it's good, but you can also try disabling it. You can enable it back. I recommend keeping it enabled. Sometimes disabled works better, but you need to check it out for yourself. What are we going to do is we're going to reset the mobile network settings. So we're going to swipe down until we see general management. Here we're going to go to reset, and we're going to go to reset mobile network settings. We're going to click reset settings. Now tap in the password and click reset. You should see the visible confirmation on your screen. And once you do that, what you guys want to do is go over, and as a last resort, make sure to contact your carrier to check for any outages. And it's really important. Sometimes there may be an outage in your area, and that's why you have weak signal. And that's basically it for the video. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.